In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate subtitles in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, bring your footage into Premiere Pro and drop it into a new sequence so everything is ready to edit. Keeping your project panel tidy and your timeline labeled will make the next steps smoother, especially if you're working with multiple clips. Next, open the Subtitles workspace by going to Window, then Captions and Subtitles. This gives you access to all the tools you need to create and manage your captions. Create a new caption track so your subtitles live on their own layer above the video. With the track created, type your subtitle text into the caption segment. Aim for concise lines that are easy to read and keep them on screen long enough for a comfortable read. Click to select the subtitle layer in the timeline so Premiere knows which element you want to animate. Now open the Effect Controls panel. If you don't see it, go to Window and choose Effect Controls. This panel shows position, scale, and opacity, which are the key properties we'll animate. To begin the animation, toggle the stopwatch icon next to position, scale, or opacity depending on the look you want. This turns on keyframing. Set your first keyframe at the starting point. For example, you can place the subtitle off screen by dragging the position values, or start it faded by setting opacity to 0. Make sure your playhead is parked at the exact frame where you want the animation to begin. Move the playhead forward a short amount, half a second to a second is a good starting range, then adjust the subtitle to its final look. Bring the position back on screen, return scale to 100 if you want a gentle pop-in, or set opacity to 100 for a fade. Premiere automatically creates a second keyframe when you change the value, defining the end of the animation. Play your timeline to preview the motion. If it feels too fast or too slow, refine the timing by dragging the keyframes close together for a snappier move or farther apart for a smoother, slower reveal. You can also slide the pair of keyframes left or right to align the animation perfectly with the spoken dialogue. When you're happy with how it looks, export the video with the animated subtitles. Use your usual export settings and confirm your captions are included as burned-in graphics if that's what you need. That's it. Clean, readable subtitles with subtle professional